All right, let's break down Arizona real estate contracts so you can ace that licensing exam.
So, is a verbal yes on a house price binding? Well, it all comes down to three key things.
Okay, so a contract needs three core parts. If one is missing, you've got nothing. No deal. First up, you need a clear offer. We're not just talking here. This is a serious proposal. Next, acceptance. And get this, in Arizona, it has to be a perfect mirror image of the offer. And finally, consideration. That's the this for that, the exchange of value that makes it all official.
Okay, moving on. This next part, it's probably the most important rule you'll need for the exam.
It's called the statute of frauds, and it's a big deal. It's there to prevent fraud.
Bottom line, if it isn't in writing, it's not enforceable in court. It's just that simple. So you've got it in writing. Great. But who actually has the power to sign that thing?
Well, the parties have to be legally competent. That means being 18 and knowing what they're signing.
And for agents, this is critical. Always, always ask about marital status. It's a huge deal here. Why? Because of the jointer requirement. If it's community property, both spouses must sign. No exceptions.
All right, but what happens when deals get complicated? When terms change or things get weird?
A counteroffer completely kills the original offer. Poof, it's gone. It's a brand new start.
But what if someone signs but they were pressured? That signature might not be the final word. Things like fraud or duress are called vitiating factors. They basically poison the deal from the start.
This makes a contract voidable, so the victim gets to choose. Cancel the whole thing or sue.
Okay, let's wrap up with two tricky situations every agent needs to know about. Super important stuff.
So does a deal die if the buyer or seller does? A lot of people get this wrong.
Here's the key. A purchase contract follows the property, but a listing agreement, that's personal.
And last up, what about innocent buyers? The law actually has a special protection just for them.
They're called a bona fide purchaser. Basically, they acted in good faith and paid a fair price.
So what's the big takeaway here? Be precise. Every single detail in that contract protects you and everyone.
So think about this for your exam. What's the one mistake that can wreck an entire contract?